What's going on, everyone? Today I'm gonna eat a pepper. It's been a minute. Today's Wednesday. We're getting ready to go on a trip to California for over a week, and we're leaving on Friday. So while we're gone, it's supposed to freeze. Today I'm just kind of frantically trying to get everything in the garden together. I've been, drying pods and sending boxes out and all sorts of stuff. So I was out there and I saw this guy right here and decided it's been a minute since I've eaten a pepper, so I might as well choose this one. I honestly haven't eaten anything hot for a while, so and this is one of the only things in the garden that wasn't super, super hot. So this is probably gonna wreck me pretty good. This is a Bahamian Goat, and I've heard a lot of good things, but I've never actually eaten one. These peppers are from the Bahamas, and they're about 100,000 to 300,000 Scoville, which for me right now is a lot. I haven't had anything hot in months and months and months. So we're gonna give this a try. I'm gonna cut it open here with you guys. But first, let's go out to the garden and show you guys the plant that it came off of. We'll come back, we'll cut it open, look at the inside, and then we will eat it. Okay, here are the two Bahamian Goat plants. This branch fell down, I would say, about 3 months ago, and I just kind of never picked it up. The peppers have grown just fine with this being on the ground. Hasn't really been an issue at all. Up here, we have tons of peppers, and this is after I harvested some just the other day. And I'm actually getting ready to harvest the rest of these. So there's that plant. This plant over here has a slightly better pheno. This is the plant that I'm actually going to be saving all my seeds from. So if you look here, check that out. Look at that. This here is the pepper I'm going to be eating here in just a second. And I'm also going to save seeds from this pod because this thing is just beautiful. This year it's going to be this pod and this pod that I saved seeds from. I'm hoping that this one ripens before the frost. If not, I'll take it inside, let it ripen, and the seeds should be fine. But this is the one I'll be eating here in just a minute. But like I said, this plant just has, oh wow, look at that. Beautiful pods. I love it. This plant, I haven't been able to harvest any off of it yet. They haven't ripened. It's kind of a slow starter, but if you look at them, they are just awesome. Okay, so let's go inside. Let me get this one picked here. This will be a good one to taste test because I've never had just a straight Bahamian Goat. So we'll see how it is. All right, guys, sorry if there's some shadows and a dirty looking cutting board, but I've been cutting peppers on it all day. Here's the Bahamian Goat. Make sure you're wearing your gloves anytime you're doing something like this. This morning, I went into the room that the peppers are drying in, and I started switching around the tiers on the dehydrator, and I didn't wear my gloves. And just by touching the plastic of those trays, later when I was on my way to work, I rubbed my eye and thought I was gonna drive myself off the road. So, Bahamian Goat, let's go ahead and pull the stem off. Let's cut into it. See what it looks like on the inside. So I've heard about how sweet these are. It's a really thick-walled pepper. Looks pretty oily for what it is. It almost smells like kind of like a Scotch bonnet, really just fruity and sweet. It does smell pretty hot. And from my understanding, it's supposed to be like habanero heat, which normally I feel like I can handle that like it's nothing, but right now, this is probably gonna mess me up pretty good. So let's turn this camera back around. All right, guys, so this is probably the room I'm gonna be doing a lot of the videos in. Right now it's kind of a mess, as you can see. We got a bunch of Halloween stuff in here. We had the kids decorating for Halloween. This is my wife's plant room, and she's got monsteras and just all sorts of shelves and stuff full of plants back there. I've been trying to talk her into doing a YouTube channel because she probably works with her plants more than I do, whether it be buying plants or, whatever. So I've been trying to talk her into it. So if you guys would help me, say something in the comments so my wife will see it later, so she'll make a YouTube channel, because she's so much smarter than I am when it comes to plants. She helps me with my pepper plants half the time. All right, here's the pepper that we just cut open, Bahamian Goat. Yikes. I'm not excited for this. What? Okay. You know what? It smells good though. It's just really big. All right. It's gonna mess me up. Oh, hi, kitty. Okay, let's go. There's just so much of it. I already feel the hiccups coming on. I'm not gonna finish the rest of this. I'll edit that last little part out where I spit out the rest of that. Okay, so that's hot. I think it's just been a minute since I've had anything hot, so I'm not used to it. It's back of the throat, underneath my tongue. Pepper was good though. The flavor is great. Holy cow. I haven't had endorphins like this, head rush, while eating a pepper in a long time. Probably because I haven't eaten a pepper in a long time. Nose running. Now my lips are starting to burn. Whoo! Lightheaded. Sit back in this chair a little bit. Wow. That lit me up. Let's get these gloves off, yeah? Yeah, I'm lightheaded. Anytime I move my head. Whew, my face is tingling. Wow. All right, here, just tingling now. Whoo! Like I said, the flavor was good. It was just, I couldn't swallow any of it, so I just sat there with it in my mouth. Next time I'll eat it 1/2 at a time, rather than trying to get the whole thing down. Yeah, my whole face is just tingling. I'm sweating. Wow. Okay. It doesn't help that this room is the hottest room in the house. We closed the vents in here for all her plants, so the air conditioning doesn't cool it off in here. Whew! All right, well, that was a good reintroduction to me eating hot stuff. This summer's been full of just camping with the family, and haven't been doing anything hot. So this was first thing in months that I've had that is even remotely hot. Anything hotter than a jalapeno. Woo! Wow. I think the only thing that's made my face tingle like that is the toe of Satan. Only the toe of Satan hurt a lot more than this does. It's already peaked. I'm good as far as the heat goes now. Nice. It's good to be back. All right, we're leaving for California in 2 days. I'm going to upload this tomorrow, so by the time this comes out, I'll be leaving for California in 1 day. Get to go up there with the family, hang out, beach bum it for a week, and then I'll come back and keep going with the videos. All right. Okay, that's going to be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, like, share the video, hit the bell icon, do all those things. Stay tuned. Like I said, stick around. We'll be making some more videos. Wow, my face is still tingling. Until next time, I'll see you guys then.